chaser. Today we're going to be going to Fuji Speedway to shoot with Alex Martini driving an R33 GTR. We rented a car, and on the way I noticed this little town here. It looks familiar from last year, so we're going to pay someone a visit, and it's like a 15-minute detour, so we're just going to do that real quick. This is a rental. It's a Nissan Note Hybrid. It's pretty nice compared to the Toyota that we rented with Caden. Ooh, yeah. Wait, that's the one from the dealer. That's the same one from the dealership.
Oh, I wasn't pointing at the car, I was pointing at the sign.
Imagine he's like going off to lunch. Oh, they're open. That's the first good sign. Konnichiwa. Hisashiburi desu. It's Sylvia. Basu wa koko desu ka? Bus.
Bus.
So this S13 was here last year. And I believe, yeah, actually these two were here last year as well. This is a new vehicle. So this is actually a mechanic shop, and they do dealership work on the side. And last year when we were going to Fuji Speedway, or no, Mount Fuji, we passed by here and I saw the S chassis and I'm like, we have to turn around. So we turn around and this place is called Hardy. This is the boss. Oh, hashiburi desu.
ちょっと上手くなったね。
Drive. Driving by.
バイク？
Drive. 車。私の車。レントカー。かっこいい。
オートサロン行ったの？
オートサロン、はい。You？あなた？
俺は行かなかった。関係者が。
忙しい？
そう。
わかります。Oh! We were driving by and wanted to say hi.
ありがとう。
We are going to Fuji Speedway.
はい。ドライブ？
はい。
ドライブ。
写真。
おー。
He remember. I think he remembers. Yeah. はい。Oh, chaser. Yours. あなた。おー、かっこいい。CR カイ。Working motion。
これはお客さんの。
格さん。
お客さん。オートサロンはエンジョイ。
いいじゃん。
エンジョイ。楽しかった。
おー、はい。写真。
いっぱい撮ってきた。
What was the circuit we were at yesterday? Motorba circuit? これはモトバー circuit。モバラ。モバラね。はい。ドリフト、ファイア。おー。Dude, this is nice. This is a nice car. So this one is his S13 with the 240 front, and the interior is an S15 dash.
I like this a lot.
No, this is nice. I like this. The work metal buff finish.
Oh. Fuji Speedway. Driving.
Oh, you drift car. この
これあっち。
赤い。
ワイレッ
お、白い。
ワイ。
Work motion. Same. To leave because we are in a hurry.
OK。
写真大丈夫ですか？
お年賀。
ありがとうございます。ギフト。写真大丈夫ですか？
ここやったらいいよ。2人の。
Together。2人。Outside？
こっちで。
はい。日本語がちょっと
ちょっと良くなったね。上手。
Yeah, and then we'll do a picture together. ありがとうございます。1、2、3。
気をつけてね。
ありがとうございます。
気をつけて。
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. I'm glad he remembers us. His worker was like looking at us like, no, they look familiar.
It would probably help if I still had blonde hair.
Yeah, probably. Oh. これは何ですか？あ、T シャツ。T シャツ。はい、ありがとうございます。Wow. It's so nice. I feel bad for not bringing gifts. I feel bad for not bringing gifts. I wanted to bring something, but I was like, I don't know what to bring. So I think next time maybe I'll bring sticker. Quick stop at the konbini. Got myself a sandwich. And they have strawberry Oreos here. If I find another one of these, I'm taking it home. So, orange juice mango. This is really good. From Centauri. Huh? Mm. Mm.
はい、すみません、お待たせしちゃって。
ありがとうございます。
いらっしゃいませ。
Entrance to Fuji Speedway. I'm here at beautiful Fuji Speedway, and they have hundreds of GTRs here. We have 33, 32, 34. We have a Hakosuka GTR over there, and somewhere in the parking lot I saw earlier, there's a very rare Mines R32 GTR in red. Look, we even got a Pulsar GTIR there. Nismo. Oh, hey! How's it going? How's it going? Hey!
Good to see you. Last time I saw you, I was running.
Yeah! Evading the cops, yeah.
Bye, guys.
That was a crazy night.
That was rad.
So, I'm with Alex, and we're going to be filming him driving this R34 GTR. Top Rank brought out all of the big guns, all the GTRs. As you can see here, I made my way over to this like nice little nook area of this chicane. It's really nice, really peaceful, and I noticed that they have RVs here that you could stay in. I don't know if they're like Airbnb, but it's very nice. Unfortunately, I was not able to get a media pass, so I can't really get up close. Very peaceful, and then you got GTRs flying by on Fuji Speedway. A unique experience for me. It's my first time here. Say right here. Lights.